Yeah, welcome to Friday's update. So, obviously, with everything that's been going on since last Friday, we are definitely, more inclined to take a good look at the US dollar index. So that's the chart that's in front of us now. It's the USD X. It's on the daily time frame, and it's the DXY USD index. So we can see last night we had another strong move high from the USD. We had a breakout above that 109 resistance that had been sort of holding buyers back for a small period of time, and we had a very nice solid bullish bar above those highs. So we're also set new highs for 2022. Now, obviously, we know what's been going on with the hawkish stance from the Fed, and we do have another potential piece to the puzzle coming out tonight. Our time in Australia, which is New York time, 8:30 in the morning, and 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is New York time. So the emphasis is really on the data tonight. It's expected to come in. Well, unemployment to be steady at 3.5, the payrolls to come in lower at 295k, and the average earnings to come in lower at 0.4% compared to last month's data. But there has been a bit of a series of higher than expected data lately, and we have seen a couple tippets on CNBC saying that the data could come in hotter and continue that series of higher than expected. So if we did see a really strong jobs data today, that could be a real good catalyst to push the USD higher and set further gains for 2022. If there was a miss, we could see potentially here maybe a false breakout and price move back down. We are on a fast trend at the moment, so we can see those. It's on its third uptrend leg at the moment off the main trend. So it's going to be an interesting night tonight and slash morning, depending where you are in the world. And we are going to be watching that with a lot of interest. So to see if we do get a continuation of higher, payrolls data. And just looking at some of the other markets as well, I won't bring them up, but definitely keep a good eye on the euro, the Aussie, and the pound. So the pound's trading deeper into lows, not seen since, closer to lows, not seen since 2020. The euro went back below parity overnight with another strong move lower after putting up a few good sessions of resistance from buyers, but sellers definitely took control again overnight. And the Aussie also had a very strong move lower, setting new weekly highs. So all of these risk major currencies are under significant pressure at the moment to the dollar, and if anything does come out to really push the dollar up again, we could see further lows and further moves, sharp moves lower. But if we don't see that data, we could see a real flight back with some strong recovery rallies. Now, gold's another one also to keep an eye on. So gold, dropped below 1700 overnight, and it's trading another solid drop lower, continuing this week's moves lower after last Friday's hawkish stance from the Fed, which really gave the dollar that boost. But up until this point, we haven't really seen the dollar show any real drive. Like even this week, we've seen a lot of congestion at that point. So we're looking to see now if this is a confirmed breakout, but we really need to see the payroll data support this breakout and confirm it. So as at the moment, we do have a new high into this year, but we really just want to see the payrolls come out and support that with another push higher and price to remain on this trend line just to continue to suggest that we are going to continue to move higher. If we do see a break here, we'll be looking for a possibility of support to come back here if fundamentals do still support the dollar. So that's it for today's update. We do put out some really fantastic trading webinars during the week, so do check up on these during midweek and subscribe, and please to our newsletters and to our trade zone, so you can get the latest market updates and market information from some really good traders that are currently working with us at ACAP, and educators that are working with us. So enjoy your weekend, and thank you very much for tuning in, and we wish you all the best for trading for the rest of the day, and until next week, bye for now.